What's up, my YouTube gang? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy LoneVmarrion, and I got some tips and tricks for y'all. Now, I know you read from the title. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to use OBS for your Twitch streams, YouTube streams, or YouTube recordings, or whatever you're trying to use it for. I got you. We're gonna go ahead and get into this video. If you don't know who I am, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would be very much appreciated. But if you're back with another video, welcome back to another video. It's your boy LoneVmarrion. I'm gonna be telling y'all everything you would need to know in a simple form of matter. Everybody that I've seen on YouTube, they'll get too much in detail, or they'll say a lot of stuff that people like me wouldn't understand, and it took me a while to understand OBS. And when you're first looking at the OBS, how it is when you first install it, it's pretty scary, not gonna lie. But hey, I got you. I'm gonna teach you everything I know. I got some extra tips and tricks for y'all. I'm gonna be telling you, if you don't have a webcam or anything like that, you can use your phone to use it as a webcam. It helps out a lot. It took me a long way to where people didn't even know I didn't have a webcam. I was just using my phone. And I have another way that you can use audio through your phone. You can use your phone mic as audio. If you don't have a mic like this, you can use your phone as a mic. But let's go ahead and get to the video, man. Let's get it. So when you first open up OBS, this is what you're gonna see. Don't mind that, because when you first open it up, this is what it's gonna look like. Bare bones, nothing to look at. The first thing you're going to do is go to the settings and go to stream. So whatever you're using, you can use Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, of course. And I think you can use, yeah, it's a lot of stuff you can use. So whatever you're streaming on or whatever you're recording on is there. You can use it for anything. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and hit Twitch. So you can either use your stream key or you can connect your account. I advise you to connect your account because it will save you a lot of time in your settings. The things that the big YouTubers tell you, that's what they're gonna be telling you. If you use your stream key, you're gonna have to go into settings and go ahead and configure all that. I'm gonna go ahead and log in. So you see it says video, maximum video bitrate and the maximum audio bitrate. That is gonna make your streams look the best of the best. But if your PC or if your Wi-Fi can't handle that, it will be a big problem. You'll get lags, frame drops, stuff like that. So I advise you to go on the internet and test your network connection to see what bitrate you can handle. So once you log in, go ahead and log in. You're gonna go ahead and press apply. It's gonna go ahead and give you your chat box, all that stuff. So when you do that, it should, when you go back into the setting and you go to output, it should set everything optimized for your PC when you do it. I don't think it did it when I did it, but the first time I logged in, it set everything that would fit my PC in the best way it possibly can. So when you get there, you have these boxes. You have a scenes box, a source box, an audio mixer, and a controls box. And you have this box right here for your preview section. Your preview section, that's where you're gonna see what other people are seeing, whether you're recording or either you're streaming. That's where you're gonna see what they're looking at. Your scenes box, this is where you can add different scenes. So say if you want one scene to be just display capture and you want your next scene to be just a face cam, you can easily just do like this. You can have this one scene as a display capture like that, and then you can have this scene as just a webcam capture. But I don't have my camera. Yeah, okay, it'll show that. So you can easily just switch like that. Easy, simple. Now that's how you set up your scenes. Now your sources, this is a different box. This is where you can add your audio input, audio output, browser, your display, game capture, image capture. If you have any downloaded overlays, that's where you can get that from. Your alerts, chat, scenes, text box, your webcam, window capture, all that good stuff. So you can go in here and select what fits you the best. Your audio input, that'd be good for if you have a mic. I would connect this mic to my audio input, and it's just as simple as clicking it, creating a name, changing the name. You can change it to mic, and then it goes like that, and you select the device. I'm not gonna do it right now because it's gonna cut out my mic from this video, so I'm not gonna do it right now. Now you have your audio mixer like you seen with the mic. You can go ahead and turn this up and down to your liking. In your desktop capture, So another thing, when you have two things on one scene, say if you want to add like an image, we're gonna add an image right here. We can go ahead and go to browse, and we can use this picture right here. This is from one of my brother's YouTube videos. And so if you have this on top of the whole source layout, that whatever you have selected on there, that's going to appear on top. But say if you move it below, like right here, it will be behind it. See, you can see I moved it behind it, and it's behind there. It's not in front no more. So this is how you would make a webcam. You'll put your webcam on top, and you'll put your either your game capture or your display capture behind it, so you can have that overlay set up. You can just add in anything. You can add in your chat box. There's your chat box right there. So you just add in however you like it. You can either just have your face cam in your game capture on there, or you can have everything on there. You can have your subscriber count, you can have your Twitch or YouTube viewer count, anything that you would like. It's really diverse on here. You really don't have to follow what everybody else is doing. You can make it your own stream. And another thing that you want to take a note is when you're using game capture, if you're using the PC to game capture will make you have a less load on your PC, so you can stream way easier. Your frames won't drop as much. And another thing, speaking of gaming, this is your first tip to using OBS for your stream. Say if you have a PlayStation. I have a PlayStation, so I don't know if it works on Xbox, but I have a PlayStation, and you can actually use PlayStation Game Share. Okay, so you can go ahead and log into your PlayStation right here, and you can download PlayStation Remote Play on your PC, and you can remote play gameplay off of your PlayStation and connect it to your PC. Easy, simple. All you have to do is log in and press play. And so you can literally, you can play anything up this. You can play Apex. So you log into Apex, and the way you would get this on your screen, all you have to do is add a source, go to window capture, select that you want your remote play right here, and boom, there's your game. Make this bigger, put this behind everything, and say the display capture is your webcam. We can go ahead and take that image off, and boom, there's your setup right there. You're playing Apex, you're streaming Apex on your PlayStation through your PC. But you can have a webcam. You can stream directly off the PlayStation, but you can't have a webcam unless you have the PlayStation webcam, and that's just extra. If you don't have a webcam, you can use your phone. This is your second tip of the video. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to your browser of your liking. I'm gonna link this in the description below. Go ahead and type in OBS Ninja. You want to press create reusable link. You want to press generate link, and you have a QR code right here. You want to go ahead and copy this, save that to your clipboard, go to your camera on your phone, and it will take you to OBS Ninja on your phone too. Now the way you would add this to your OBS, you would have to go to the plus symbol, press browser, copy and paste the link that you copied from the website. And then on your phone, you want to go ahead and press share your camera. So allow your camera and your mic. If you don't want to use your mic, go ahead and press audio source and press no audio. You can either use your front or back camera. I'm gonna use my front camera for right now. And boom, when you go back here, boom, there you are. You have your own webcam right there. You can go ahead and turn it to the side like this, and you can go ahead and rotate this. Go ahead and right click and go to transform. Go ahead and rotate it 180 degrees. Make it however big you want it. You can make it however big you want it. And boom, there's your webcam, and you can go ahead and play your game and stream. There's your stream setup right there, and it's that simple. And I advise you to go ahead and organize this better than I did. So you have your control boxes. If you want to start your stream, you press start stream, and it will go ahead and start streaming on Twitch. If you want to start a recording, You just press start recording and it'll automatically start recording and save it to your PC. Your virtual camera, it will start recording and send it to your virtual camera. Studio mode, this is how you change stuff without the stream seeing it first. You will see it first. So say if you move your display right here, you see how it didn't move on the right side, but it's moving on the left side. If you press transition, it will go ahead and change that for you. Okay, so the scene transition page, this is the transition. So you can either do a swipe, it'll just swipe like that, and it's a bunch of them. Fade with color, and you can change the color. You can do all that. Fade with color, and you can go ahead and change the duration. You can make it longer or faster, shorter. You see it's very long, it drags it out. You can make it faster by lowering the milliseconds so you can barely see it. So yeah, that's my personal full tutorial of OBS. I feel like if you still don't understand OBS Streamlabs right here is probably a million times easier than trying to learn how to use this, because it connects directly to YouTube or Twitch. If you have Twitch chat, you see like when you get on Twitch and they have the fancy Twitch chat, you can add borders. It's just way more easier. This is my stream setup. This is what I stream on. Whenever I get the chance to stream, this is what I stream on because it's way easier, and you can add more widgets and stuff like that. See, the widget list is hecka long. Alert boxes. So if you still don't understand OBS, I advise you to switch to Streamlabs like I did. But I mainly use OBS just for recording because I don't know, it just fits me better for recording. It just sits with me better. But that's the end of this video, man. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a lot. If you have any questions at all, please comment them in the comment section below. I will either make a part 2, answer your question in the video, or I'll answer your question in the comment. And if you haven't already subscribed, it will be very much appreciated. It's your boy LoneVmarrion, and I'm out. Y'all stay safe, man.